Hey, I think this is working. Hey, Patreon people. It's been a while. It's been a while. I need to give you an update. Oh, let's see. Got a video going out tomorrow with Winston Moy that I filmed at the Matter Hackers booth. That was fun. But let's get into it. I'm finally using some of my insurance, and I've had enough people complain about my Rudolph red nose that I am going to the doctor, and we're going to find out what's going on. That should be good. Oh, before I forget, I was at my son's baseball game, last regular season game of the Little League season. After this, it's playoffs and All Stars, but his team won. They are the Rogue. Everybody was like, "Go Rogue, yay Rogue!" It's just fun. And the kid that wears uniform number 1. Oh, excuse me. Oh yeah, we call him Rogue One. Yeah, it feels good. Let's see. I haven't been able to record a lot of After the Fives lately because I haven't had a standard production schedule. Let's see. About a week or so ago, I traveled to Longmont, Colorado because Diebase Engineering had me come out and film their new H3 machine. It's a turret tool changer, 3D printer, milling machine, scanning machine. It's incredible, and I can't wait for that video to come out. Sean's going to be editing that really soon. And then, let's see, I flew out to... No, what did I do? What did I do? Let's see. Do I have any drink left? Oh, I'm out of drink. Ah, here we go. I drove down to Protopasta to make some filament with Tom and to get a look into how we could automate the gradient process or making gradient filament. Let's see. And then Tom came up and we did something. That video is hopefully going out. Oh, excuse me. Hopefully going out Sunday. So I guess we'll see. There was no After the Five film for that. And then I went down to Bay Area Maker Fair in San Francisco here in the United States. That was a lot of fun. We shot a bunch of videos. Shoot, let's see. What's out? What's out? What is out right now? Here we go. So I did the Prusa MMU, David Shorey, and 3D printing on fabric. There's the printer belt. Talked to Brooke. The video that's going out tomorrow with Winston Moy has to do with the Carbide 3D milling machine. We've got there's some people that did some clay printing. I talked to Dremel about their 3D 45 and about their new laser cutter. I talked to Estefani. Estefani QQ is I believe she does some cosplay. She does some makes. She's really cool. Spoke to Evan and Caitlin, spoke to Full Spectrum. Oh, and I talked to my buddy Chris over at Tormach. That was a lot of fun. I keep yawning because it's late. It's midnight, which used to not be late for me, but it's late now. So the Maker Faire content I do need to get out, and I need to get it out quick because it's just not contextually one of those things that does well after the event has been gone on for too long. It'd be like releasing Murph content 3 weeks later. It just doesn't do well. So I got to do that. We have a softball tournament this weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend here in the States. I don't have any travel coming up. I do have some more videos planned here in my studio. I'm in the process of making more because it's a lot of fun. That's what I'm thinking about. I do got to tell you, insurance is tough. And I don't know if I've really publicized this much. Back in the 7th grade, it started, I have rheumatoid arthritis. And back in the 7th grade, it kept me from trying out for the track team. It kept me from being able to walk upstairs. And then at one point, it kept me from being able to walk. And that really sucked. I do take some medicine now called Remicade. And it seems to alleviate some of those issues. It's good, but it's really expensive. We got the bill for my Remicade infusion I had in January. It was $5,000. $1,000 US dollars. And thankfully, there are discounts, there's insurance, and there is something called Remy Start, which helps pay the bills, and so I don't have to pay much of that. But we do have to pay an insurance premium every month, and we have to make sure the kids can go see the doctor and the dentist that they choose. And I got to tell you, the Patreon money comes in super handy, and it really lets the family function. I know there's ad revenue and there's affiliate sales, which are, I guess, okay, and sponsorships, but man, I got to tell you, this Patreon money comes in so handy, especially when I've been traveling a lot. I've been losing out on some sleep, and I've been trying to make some stuff, and oh my goodness. So anyway, that's a little update on me. I feel bad because I haven't been able to give many after the fives. They're still a priority, and it's still something that I want to do because I really enjoy it. It's just that it has to be a project where it can be done. Yeah. But anyway, really when filming in the studio, still going to be doing some after the fives. I still have a lot of fan mail to get through, but I don't want to open up anything not on camera because that shouldn't be what I do. So more after the fives, more fan mail Fridays. Everything's coming up. This summer's coming up, so I'm going to be spending a lot more time with my wife and my kids. And I'm still gonna have a video schedule. I try to release on Wednesdays and Sundays. That's the goal. Let's hope I can keep doing it. Well, anyway, this was just a really quick little update, and sorry I'm disheveled looking, and sorry I haven't shaved, and so here we go. Let's see. Where is it? There it is. New shirt. There's my 3D pen. I call that Idea Joel. Yeah, that's Idea Joel. And I went with a new provider. This shirt is really decent. I was with Merch Minion, but there were some extenuating circumstances where I had to cut business ties with Merch Minion. I'm now going through another provider. So if you do order shirts, it's through a company called Printful. And so far, so good. And if there's ever any problems, obviously let me know. But all right, that's it. Now that's super really it. Thanks again for your support. I hope this update was nice and updatey. I think I'm gonna go brush my teeth, and I'm gonna hit the hay. And while the video tomorrow won't be out at 6 o'clock in the morning my time, which is where I usually auto set it to, it'll be out sometime in the morning after I get some coffee in me and I create my thumbnails. Well, I love you guys. As always, high five. No, as always, high five.